want to talk about what actually happens during a chiropractic adjustment. A lot of people don't really know, and that's okay. A lot of times they feel better, and that's all they care about. So that's a good side effect of what we do as a profession. So what we actually treat and diagnose is something called a subluxation. It's a fancy word for when the vertebra get a little bit out of alignment. Misaligned vertebra can put pressure on the nerves or the surrounding structures, which then can lead to symptoms like a lot of people feel, pain, headaches, tingling, numbness, anything like that. So what happens during the adjustment is as we move those vertebrae in a specific position and get them back in alignment, we're actually taking the pressure off those joints, those nerves, and getting it back where it needs to be. Now, when you hear that actual pop, it's not your bones rubbing against each other. If that was the case, I would not be in practice. Everyone would hate me, and it would hurt like a son of a gun. So what that is, think of it like a suction cup. So there's a little bit of a joint capsule around the joint. So when it moves in a specific spot, it kind of opens up real quick and then closes. So it makes that little, and all that is a release of nitrogen gas from the joint. So that's what it is, guys.